then accept the auto-generated unique name. Enter description, choose the public reports folder and click Save. I don't think we need the description, again, pretty self-explanatory. And the update preview, it's already live, so we don't really need to run it at all. And here it kind of looks the same, except we only have 3 cases. Note, click Details row to toggle between showing and hiding columns in your summary report. So you just need an overview of the count. You can hide the detail rows, and otherwise you show them if you want to see each specific case. Matrix reports. Matrix reports allow you to group records both by row and by column. These reports are the most time-consuming to set up, but they also provide the most detailed view of your data. So why would you want to use a matrix report? If you're looking for an at-a-glance overview of data, especially for something like totals of revenue or quantity of products sold, then the matrix report format is for you. Let's build a matrix report. Sita, the CEO, is planning for the coming year and wants to know revenue trends month over month. Let's start by helping Maria create the basic report. In this step, we'll create a matrix report showing sales by type for each month. On the Reports tab, click New Report, choose the Opportunities report type, and click Continue. So let's do that. Click Filters, then apply these standard filters. All opportunities, show me. Opportunity status, closed. And for close date, current financial year. Note for the fast results, always set the smallest date range you can. If your report has to sift through a great many days, it takes a lot longer to show the information you have asked for. I've already seen that before, so let's continue. To summarize the report, a sum of amount, click the More Actions drop-down arrow on the Amount column. Then click Summarize and select Sum. So let's do this. Let's go to Amount, Summarize, Sum. But we can't see it here because there's nothing to show. To change the report format to matrix, first group rows by close months and columns by type. And to start grouping, click Outline. Under Group Rows from the Add Group pick list, select Close Months. Under Group Columns from the Add Group pick list, select Types. You may want to hide the report details when viewing a matrix report. Matrix reports are usually easiest to consume with details hidden. To hide the report details, turn off detail rows. Save your report as opportunities by sum of amount. And accept the auto-generated unique name. So I'm not entirely sure what we did here actually. Summarize and sum, that's clear, but then the matrix stuff is not all that clear to me, but anyway, it's somehow showed here. And either way, let's just save this. We don't have any data, so nothing is really displayed there. And now we get to the hands-on challenge. Create a report to show cases. Roberto Alvarez, US Amea Solar COO, has asked for.
All right, we want to go ahead and do it alongside. So we're going to bring our screen up now. And we'll keep this playing. We'll put it into, all right, let's press play.
Report of companies' customer service cases. He wants the report formatted so he can see at a glance which cases are new, working, escalated, and closed. Create a summary report of cases to show Roberto. Report type case, cases. Okay, let's do this. New report. Cases. And see at a glance which cases are new, working, escalated, and closed. Create a summary report of cases to show Roberto. Report type case, cases. Okay, let's do this. New report. Cases. Report name, case status.
I want to actually take a look at this myself because I think we could just do it. It seems a little bit more difficult to follow along. All right, so cases, filter type, well, report type cases, standard filter, open date all time. Okay, so let's go to filter, open date all time, fields, case owner, subject, account name, fields, case owner, account name, subject, right? Okay, so let's get rid of the other ones. Group, status, report name, case status. All right, let's save and run. Save. All right, I think we did it correctly. I mean, that was really simple, so I'm kind of a little anxious, but I mean, we sat here and we learned everything. So it shouldn't be a surprise that we're succeeding is really the point. And there we go. Okay, so tackle the next unit. The next unit is another 500-point challenge. So let's go ahead and see what we have over here. Visualize your data.
Visualize your data.
Let's get right into
When it
it.
comes to reports and analyzing what seems like endless data, it can be information overload. What if there was an easy way to get a visual summary of all that information into the reports chart and dashboards? Reports chart. The Lightning experience offers enhanced data charts to summarize report data. You can adjust the chart type without making changes to the report itself. Let's see charts in action. Your CEO is so impressed with the work you've done, he's asked for something special. He wants a way to display sales rep performance graphically. Add a vertical bar chart to compare sales rep win rates. Click the Reports tab, click Sales Rep Win Rates, and click Add Chart to display a chart. Click the gear icon to open the chart editor. Only see this gear icon, I'm not really sure what they mean. Let me read all this. Gonna go for all time so we actually have some data. Now I see the gear icon chart properties. Okay. Click column to complete the attributes. Chart title, sales rep win rates. Click the y-axis drop down to set the win rate. And now we click the gear icon to close the chart editor. Click the arrow next to edit and choose save from the drop down. Dashboards. So let's take visualizing data a step further. The VP of Sales would like a global sales dashboard that lets her see the key information at a glance. A dashboard is a visual representation of data from multiple reports and does the following. Displays data from custom source reports, has a running user to determine what data is visible, displays data as of the last time the dashboard was refreshed, can be scheduled to be refreshed and emailed automatically. The dashboard editor in Lightning Experience gives you a responsive way of creating or editing dashboards using drag and drop. Let's take a look. Create the Global Sales Dashboard. Click the Dashboards tab, click New Dashboard, set the name to Global Sales Dashboard. Select folder, choose the Global Sales Dashboard, and click Select Folder. Click Create, add an opportunity by Rep Chart component. From the Display as menu, click the vertical chart bar option and ensure y-axis is set to record count. Ensure show values box is selected. Not really sure what it is. It is selected and complete the text area, sales pipeline, number of open opportunities by rep. Click component, search opportunities. Shorten number. Title, total opportunities. Future value of open apps and sales pipeline. And the sales rep win rates table component. Click component, enter sales rep. Select sales rep win rates. And now we choose a table. On the columns, select section, click X next to the following columns to remove them from this component. Let's see, account name, stage, expected revenue. Note opportunity name and amount should be the only thing remaining in columns. That's correct. So let's update the title to Opportunities 1. Click Add, drag the Opportunities 1 table to the right. And click Save. Let's see how we can move this. Doesn't seem to work. Add sales revenue rates gorge component. I think here we forgot to drag the Opportunities 1 table to the right. I can resize it, but I can't drag it anywhere. That's strange. I'll figure that out later, I guess. So let's add the sales rep win rate scotch component. Click component, sales rep. Select. Leave the segment range as is, change the method to win rate. Complete the text areas company win rate, ratio of win close tabs. Yeah, I can't really drag anything. I'm not really sure why that is, but it won't let me. So we will have to leave this in this unfortunate layout of everything's text. So, save, click done. Now let me edit this to see if it's possible to rearrange this. Nope, it's not possible. Yeah, I'm not really sure why that is not editable in any way, but anyway, let's just verify the step. Congrats, you made it easier for your stakeholders to review their Salesforce data with ease and efficiency. You harness the power of Reports Builder to customize Salesforce objects and fields into meaningful information. Filters, report types, charts, and dashboards further segment your data so only the most important information was presented. Great job, you just saved your executive team a lot of time and energy. Step not completed yet, found component. Yeah, I'm not really sure what that means. Okay, that's another like weird error, so yeah, we finished this. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this was somewhat helpful. Sorry this didn't work out as instructed. This happens in our live version.
All right, let's take a look. So it looks like they have a different challenge than us, which is interesting, right? So let's actually just get right into ours while having the benefit of learning not only ours, but what they were doing as well. And by they, it's a former version of this test, so it allows us to get more what's the word I'm looking for? More well acquainted. All right, so let's go ahead and launch this, right? So let's X that out. We'll launch this. Lincoln, the top salesperson at Ursa, wants a dashboard that shows all the company's deals. He wants to see quickly how many opportunities his team has at each stage of the pipeline. Create the underlying opportunities report, then create a dashboard. Add a component that displays the report as a donut chart on the dashboard. All right, so let's start with create a report. And let's minimize the screen over here. Let's bring that over here. Let's do something like this. Bada bing, bada boom. All right, cool. So type report opportunities. So let's go to reports. Let's go to new report. Let's go to opportunities. Open this up a little bit. Let's click it and then start report. Now the standard filter, date, close date will be all time. Okay. Opportunity status, probability all. Let's not touch that yet, but we might have to. The fields are going to be opportunity name and opportunity owner. Opportunity owner's there, opportunity name is there, so let's get rid of all the other ones. Okay, group stage. We want the opportunity stages as the report name. Create a dashboard, name big deals. Okay, create a dashboard. Let's see, how do we create a dashboard?
Which
Oh, it's actually a button right over there. How did we miss that? Okay, so let's go to more. Let's go to dashboards. Right, name big deals. New dashboard. Let's name it big deals. Dashboard. So I guess we don't need a description for it or the folder, doesn't matter. Okay, so let's create it. We want report opportunity stages. All right, we're gonna watch it a little bit longer.
select folder, choose the global sales dashboard, and click select folder.
Wait. Okay, so they're doing select folder.
Click create, add an opportunity by rep chart component.
All right, so I'm actually a little lost right now, but that's okay because we're able to go through it, and a lot of what we do is let's troubleshoot together. So we create a dashboard, name big deals, let's add a component. Here's a component. Let's add report, right? Report opportunity stages, okay. Let's select. Title, opportunity stages, right? That looks good unless we have to write that somewhere. Okay. Display as donut chart. Where would it say donut chart? Like, I know what a donut looks like, so I'm gonna go with this being a donut chart, but how would I know that? Oh, you hover over it, it would tell you. Okay. So we'll add that and we will save the dashboard. And then we should be able to check and see if we did okay. Bingo bango. All right, so we have one unit left. And this unit is another 500-point challenge. We are accumulating a lot of points from this. Okay, so let's go back over here. Let's X this out. And we're going to extend your reporting strategy. So let's go back and we'll go to extend your reporting strategy.
Extend your reporting strategy with AppExchange. Learning objectives. After completing this unit, you will be able to find free reports and dashboard packages on AppExchange, install a reports and dashboards package from AppExchange, modify the reports and dashboards in the install package, install an app from AppExchange. When you are building a report or dashboard, a common strategy is to clone an existing report and modify it to meet your needs. But where do you get sample reports and dashboards to modify? Maria, the admin over at Ursa Major Solar, looks no further than AppExchange. On AppExchange, there are sample reports and dashboard packages available from SalesForce Labs. These can be downloaded and installed into your sandbox or production environment. The packages are free and the reports and dashboards can all be cloned and modified to suit your specific needs. Popular topics include Salesforce adoption dashboards, Salesforce CRM dashboards, sales activity dashboards, clean your room dashboards, service and support dashboards, knowledge-based dashboards and reports, Salesforce chatter dashboards, and chatter challenge dashboards. Whether you're looking for sales, service, activities, CRM, or adoption-related dashboards, there are sample reports and dashboards available for you. Keep in mind that some apps contain labs, fields, objects, and more. There are governors and limits in Salesforce which your org is subjected to. Apps can either be managed or unmanaged, and overall, your limits are affected in different ways depending on which type you choose. When you're installing any app, keep in mind the limits. You can learn more about this topic by earning the AppExchange Solutions badge. To install an app, log into AppExchange and find the app you want. Click Get Now, and during the installation process, you will need to make a few decisions. Now, let's do this. I don't really suggest any specific package, so let's continue here. Some of the key ones are: where do I install production or sandbox? In general, an AppExchange best practice is to install first in a sandbox. With reports and dashboards, here are a few considerations. Some of the packages come bundled with a handful of custom fields. Reports, dashboards, folders, and custom fields all have names which can conflict with existing names in your org. Packages all come with report and dashboard folders. Once you know what specifically you're installing, you can decide where you want to install it. Note, you can preview all the components in the package during the installation process. Do you want to give permissions to admins only, all users, or specific profiles? Who can have access to these reports, dashboards, folders, and in some cases custom fields? This is an area where you want to do a bit of pre-planning before you install, so you don't have to make updates to profiles and folder sharing settings after you install. Once your installation is successful, you receive an email confirmation. Now you're ready to go. Access installed packages. Here's how to find what you just installed. From setup, enter install packages into the quick find box. Okay, it looks like we really should install some random stuff. I think the adoption dashboard are already installed in the previous module. I'm not sure. Let's just have a look. Let's just do this and enter installed packages and see if we have anything dashboard related. Installed packages. Pick the name of your installed packages. What is playground starters? So let's visit App Exchange. Not even sure if it works for this. I think I had issues before in a previous module. I think we can just do it this way. But from what I recall, I had issues installing dashboard. I'm not sure why that was, permissions or whatever. For some reason it didn't work, but let's just install a random one here. Sales activity. That sounds good. Oh, there we have a sales activity. Because there are actually some sales activities in the playground, I think. So install fragments only. But if existing component names conflict installed as package, rename conflicting components. What we are going to do, because I really want to install this so we can go further through the module. And then we need to go back to install packages. Oh, there we already have it. SalesForce activity dashboard. Let's click on the name. View components. This opens the package details page where you can see all the components, including reports, dashboards, folders, custom fields, and more. It's the easiest way to browse all the reports and dashboard is to view them from the Reports tab in SalesForce. So here we have like all the reports and stuff. Modify the reports. The first thing to remember before modifying an existing report is to make a copy so you don't write over a report that you or someone else might want to keep. To make a copy of a report, open it and click Save As. So let's open the neglected accounts report. Maybe some other one that we actually want to use. Installation is a bit too fresh for any neglected accounts. Let's have a look. Activity close rate. I think there are some closed opportunities, closed as one, so save this as. Give you a copied report, a name, choose the private reports folder and click save. Did I choose the private reports? I think it's default. No, it's not. All folders, private reports, select folder. give this an additional name so I know this is the right one. Can't type any further, that's why it's fold instead of folder. There's some limitation. Okay, now you can say they customize a report. Tip: if you open an App Exchange report or dashboard with features that aren't supported in Lightning Experience, the unsupported features are suppressed but not removed. The feature won't appear in Lightning Experience, but if you open the report or dashboard in SalesForce Classic, then it will be there. For more information, see Lightning Experience limits. As you're getting started with modifying an existing report, try doing something simple like adding and removing columns, changing the column order, and changing the date range field and criteria. You can also add a few new filters and change the report format as you get more comfortable. As you make changes, remember to save often and click Run Report to see your finished result, as the preview pane only displays a limited set of records. So, let's edit this. Modifying dashboards. Maybe firstly go through this exercise. Let's make the rules detailed. I could, for example, remove columns and that kind of stuff. I don't really see the need to, so I'll leave it as it is. I think we have gone through all this stuff before. You see the groups closed. And this is like the group, and these are the columns. But anyway, let's continue with this. Modify dashboards. As with reports, make sure you clone a copy so that you don't mess up someone else's dashboard. To clone the dashboard, open it up and click the arrow to the right to save button, and then select save as. Enter a name, specify folder, and click create. So where do we have the dashboards here? Report. Go to dashboard here, discard. So this is the dashboard we created before, so go to edit. And we click save as. Big deals, clone, copy. And there we have it. And we already went through this. Change a component, drag and drop, rearrange. We did that before. In case you haven't watched the previous video, just look at the YouTube video information text below the video, and you can see the playlist there, and then just go to the previous one. What's it called? Visualize your data with the Lightning Dashboard Builder. That's the one you want to watch. So as you're getting started with modifying dashboards, one of the best things to do is simply change dashboard's component types. To this end, try taking a single report and building a dashboard with the same report displayed in each component type. This will give you a good sense how each dashboard component type works. I don't really think we need to go this common customization. Now that you know how to install a report and dashboard package, you have assessed what's in the package. Time to start making modifications. Remember to always use clone before you get started. Here's some common ways to customize an existing report or dashboard. Try them out. Add a date range. Use relative date value like today, yesterday, group by owner, and so on and so forth. I really don't think we need to do that. That's pretty common sense stuff. So let's continue with the 500-point challenge.
All right, so let's take a look at the 500-point challenge now that he is getting to it. We've followed him along with this segment. And I'm very pleased to say that we have the same one, so that's a good thing. So let's do it together.
To finish this module, modify an App Exchange dashboard. Maria Jimenez is looking for reports and dashboards on App Exchange to track her team's transition to a Lightning experience. Install the App Exchange dashboard pack for sales, marketing, and service package into your Playhead Playground and make some modifications. Okay, let's find this pack. Let's do this setup here. Because I remember there were some issues with going to the App Exchange directly. It didn't install into the Playground and installed into like my personal SalesForce account, whatever.
All right, connect your Trailhead Playground to Trailblaze May. Okay, if you're having trouble installing this app, okay, let's just start at the beginning. For this challenge to work, you need to use your new Trailhead Playground that you created for this module. If you don't see the Install a Package tab in your Playground Starter app, you'll need to launch a new Playground. If you're having trouble installing the app, click Checkout, Install Trailhead Challenge on the Trailhead Help. So let's see, this is set up and install a package. I think this should bring us right to it, which would be a good thing. Okay, bop, 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 bop. Launch your Trailhead program by going to the hands-on challenge, scrolling to the bottom and click launch. If you see a tab in the org labeled install package, fantastic. Follow the steps to your Playground, has the Playground Starter app section below. So let's see. Inclusive gender, I don't think I see the install an app, right? Okay, or visit App Exchange. Maybe that's it. Okay. If not, launch the app launcher. So is that what we're supposed to do? So let's just X out of this and go to app launcher because that seems like a good idea. I'm gonna click Playground Starter, keep reading if you don't see it, Playground Starter app. All right. Here we go. I think we have to install a package, right? So that would be install a package. Paste the package ID into the fields, click install. So now we're going back over here because we need to get the package ID number. All right, so let's copy that. Paste it right there. Let's install. And let's keep reading on. Username. All right, let's see. Click install, select. All right, actually, let's just stick with it, right? What if existing component names conflict with ones in this package? Do not install for admins only. Click install. If you see a pop-up asking you to approve third-party acts, wait, no. So we're over here. So we're gonna click install. I'm sorry for jumping around. It's just like a lot of different components. When your package or app is, well, actually, if you see a pop-up asking you to approve third-party access, select yes. So let's see if that comes up. I'll just give it a second or 2 or 3 or 4. It looks like it takes a little while to install. That's okay. Okay, done. All right, so we have our installed package. So we installed it. Username, the username for your connected Trailhead Playground. Install for all users. I think we did that. Did we install just for, hold on a sec. We did for admins only. We got to install for all users. The app can't be upgraded, unable to install. You'll need to uninstall it before. Okay, so how do we uninstall it? All right, here we go. So how do we know which one we just did? So we just installed AppX Dashboard Pack. Okay, so let's uninstall this. So uninstall it. I don't know why you're asking me all this stuff. Save a copy of this package data for 48 hours after uninstall. Okay, uninstall this. Let's go. Okay, so now it's uninstalled. So let's X out of that. Let's go. I guess we can't do that. Let's install this again. Let's install for all users like we're supposed to do. Okay. And install. And here we go. All right, let's go. Okay. So we have it installed. Now create a dashboard. All right, so we're done. Let's go to, I guess if we want to create a dashboard, we gotta, well, does it have anything to do with this stuff? So let's just click it and see what happens. I don't think so. So let's go over here. Sales. Let's create a dashboard. So new dashboard. All right. Find and copy dashboard, one account, blah, blah, blah. Okay. So actually cancel, right? So no, all dashboards. Let's find that. Okay, so there it is. What are we doing with it? Find and copy dashboard. So we have it. Maybe copy over here. So let's select it. Download, save, refresh. Can we edit this? Well, I want to copy this. View, edit, subscribe, delete, favorite, move. So maybe edit. All right, so let's see if we can. Let's just see if we could just edit it, right? And of course it's in this one. All right, select folder. Okay. Now let's go to filter. Field, billing city, display name, billing city. All right, filter value will be San Francisco. Let's apply that. Add that. Save. And let's cross our fingers on this one because we didn't find and copy it. I didn't see how to copy it, so we kind of just renamed it. I'm really hoping that's okay. All right, that's awesome. Whew, we were a little bit anxious on that one. Now let's go tell the world how great we are. Let's go to feed, post to Facebook. And we'll do the same with Twitter. Why not? Okay. All right. We're going to stop the share, and actually we're going to pause it there. Where is my camera? All right, and we'll go ahead and we'll pause it there, and we'll pick up on the rest in a little bit. But how exciting! What was that? Another 2,100 points, and really a very much hands-on day, and a lot of troubleshooting. There were a couple times that we had to really go through things like 2, 3, 4 times. And again, I'm never going to shy from that. Everyone needs to go through it because it's easy to pretend and delude yourself that you're learning when you're watching something done perfectly. It's only when you have to troubleshoot it yourself and you fold up your sleeves and get into it that it's valuable, which is why that's what I'll always choose to do. So really great job, everyone. I'll see you. Bye.